In this video I will show you how to split screen on Android. First, open Recent Screen by pulling up the bar at the bottom of the screen. Here choose which app you want to see on the screen first. In my case it will be Google Chrome browser. Next, tap on the application icon at the top. And in the menu that appears, select the split top item. Then you need to select the second application that we want to see on the screen. In my case it will be Play Market. Tap on the application screen. The screen will be split into the two apps you have selected. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. You can interact with both the top app and the bottom apps. By dragging the dividing line between the application screens, you can resize the screens. To exit split screen mode, you need to pull the dividing line all the way down or up. You can also close these applications at the same time. To do this, reopen the recent screen by pulling up on the bar at the bottom of the screen. And slide the screen thumbnail all the way up until it disappears. Thank you for watching.